Welcome back, you guys. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys my everyday foundation routine and just showing you guys what I do on a daily basis when I feel like putting on some foundation. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing I usually do before I start my foundation is I'm going to spot conceal my face. Now, I've never used a primer before on my skin, and I've never usually seen an issue with my makeup if I don't use a primer. So I'm just gonna conceal any dark spots or just any spot of my face that might need concealing. And I'm just gonna blend all of that away with a sponge. Now the foundation I'm going to be using in this video is my favorite foundation ever. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I'm the shade 355, which is coconut. And I just usually put that on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin and blend it outwards just so I don't get that line on the side of my face, you know, that makes it look like you're two different skin tones from your face and your neck. Here. And I also love that this product is really light. I love that when I put it on, I never feel cakey or feel like I'm wearing like a second layer on my face, which is always good. Now that my foundation is on, I'm going to take that same LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toast. And this is a shade that I usually use as my highlight shade also, but I'm not really going to do too much of a highlight. I'm just going to put some of this directly under my eyes just to brighten them up a little bit. And I always take this close to my nose just to give me the illusion of a contour. Blend that out as well. Now, I never usually set like the outer corners of my face. The only place that I'll set is right under my eyes and a little bit on my nose and my chin. And for that, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder, and this is the shade Medium. I really love this powder because it's translucent. It never leaves like a cast of like yellow or brown on my skin, and it does a good job. It does a great job of setting. Like when I use this on my face, I haven't creased. My makeup hasn't creased in like over a year. I kid you not. Just from using this powder to set everything. And I'm just gonna dab that in. Sometimes, like when I'm doing like a real highlight, I usually put more of this under my eyes and wipe it away. But just because this is like my everyday foundation routine, I usually just put a generous amount and then just dab it in and let it blend. And I do not wear eyeshadow on a regular basis, so I usually just leave my face like this with just some foundation, concealer, and powder. Now I'm just gonna set with this NYX Fini Matte setting spray. And that is it for my foundation routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.